Hey everybody, how's it going? This video we're going to be talking about the array data structure. And before we talk about the array data structure, let's talk about simply data structures. What are data structures? So a data structure is a way to organize data in a certain manner that helps store data properly. It helps access data easily, helps modify data, and even helps build very complex systems without making it take tons and tons of time and tons of space. And that's very important, even in modern day, because it's very essential nowadays that we have software that runs very quickly. If your software doesn't run as fast as the other company's software, then the customer is definitely going to choose the faster, more reliable software. And that's why it's very important to understand data structures and how they work. Without any further ado, now let's talk about the array data structure. So the array data structure is basically a data structure that has all of the values or all the elements within it um, being contiguous. And by contiguous, I mean directly after each other. So let's call this array 1. So in array 1, I'm going to choose a couple of random integer values. Okay, let's say 10 and 22 and let's say 152, and that's it. Okay, so this array has three elements in it: 10, 152, and 22 in the middle. Okay, what do I mean contiguous or after each other? Well, I mean that in the lowest sense. I mean that in memory. So in memory, sometimes things are stored randomly. So you'd have things stored here on the side, and you have things stored at the top, and you have things stored all over the place. But when you create an array variable, all those elements, the 10, the 22, the 152, they're created directly next to each other. So they're reserved a space that is contiguous next to each other, worth the size of whatever that data type is in memory, right? And that is what an array data structure is. It's just a data structure that stores a couple of values next to each other of the same type, right? That's it for array data structures. I'll see you in the next one.